best to do what I said. When you were alive, I played this for you, and you were in your bed. But now you are gone, there's so much unsaid. But I promise you this, that I would not be sad. If I broke it, tell me, would you be mad? I wasn't gifted, never had shit. I was invented to be who I am. Always envisioned to become my dad. Gave me the tools to